Easy and delicious recipe of lamb shanks cooked in red wine. I will list the ingredients as we go through the recipe, and also you can find them in the description below. Preheat an angled casserole pot, pour a little bit of oil and put 4 lamb shanks in and start frying them, turning them over until they're golden brown from all sides. Meanwhile, prepare the vegetables. Cut 2 medium onions, 2 carrots, celery, 5-6 garlic cloves. Cut all vegetables in pretty big pieces. When the lamb shanks looks beautiful and delicious, take them out. Now it's turn for vegetables to get delicious and beautiful. Put them into the pot. Start frying them. Give them a couple of minutes to exchange the juices. And add about 2 cups of red cooking wine. Let it boil and season it to your taste. Add some salt, black pepper, cumin powder, coriander powder, and bay leaf. In a couple of minutes, you can return the meat into the pot. Add a little bit of boiling water to almost cover the meat. Close the pot and leave it to cook for 2 hours on a low heat. 2 hours later, open it. The meat already looks amazing. I will add some mushrooms and chickpeas to it. I'm using prepared chickpeas from the can. Give it about 20 more minutes and enjoy. You can serve it with any of your favorite side dish. Tastes amazing with fluffy mashed potatoes. Thank you for visiting Katya's Kitchen. Come back again for simple and delicious recipes.